the lime color attracts lime color bees as well. Look at that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings. Ali Shamal here. It's the third flight of GooSky RS4. Just to have some fun right here in this area. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here we go. Oh, lots of wind, man. Beautiful, man. So I gave myself 1 or 2 hours on Flight Simulator Real Flight G 7.5, and I feel I'm getting a bit more confident to pull some more stuff. Inshallah, I will keep practicing and will be able to do much more in terms of 3D, keep improving my skills. Thank you very much for watching this video, people. GooSky RS4, absolutely, I am loving this helicopter and its performance. And not to mention, I am getting very, very good flight times on this, 6S 1800 milliamp battery while doing mild 3D on this helicopter. Hardcore, of course, I'll get less flight time, but running 65% head speed, this helicopter is doing absolutely, simply loving it, man. Thank you very much, GooSky, for making such an amazing RC helicopter. Now, before I end this video, of course, you all want a closer look at the RC helicopter. I mean, you have watched build videos, so you know the quality of the components on GooSky RS4, but let me just give you a closer look as well. You can see with the bright lime color canopy, it's very visible in the skies. And you can also see how I'm running my ESC cable from outside. I could have run it from inside as well, but I'm running it outside because it's easy to, repair and replacement should you need it. Rest of the cables are neatly tucked inside. I, of course, ended up putting the flight controller at the back side right here, so I can simply remove the canopy, and easily I can tweak the settings. And by the way, I have some issues with the Bluetooth because maybe my app is old. I have to update it, or it has old data from S2. So I'm still trying to connect the Bluetooth to this helicopter so I can do the settings by app. However, I find using the settings button on GTS Plus flight controller is just super easy and very, very quick. So I did all the settings right from the GTS Plus flight controller, and I can tell you most of the settings are running on the default, that's number 5 value. And if you do the setup, follow the videos or follow the user manual, you can see the setup can be very neat and clean. I have also taught in the setup how to, make sure the belt tension is right and belt is twisted in the right direction to move the rotors rotate the rotors in the right direction. When my friends saw this helicopter, they were like, wow, man, what a beauty. But they are worried. If you damage the motor, replacing the motor is going to be the most expensive thing, and that is for sure. Replacing the motor is going to be most important, most expensive, but motors normally do not damage that easily unless you drop sand in it or crash it in the sand, dirt, and there's dirt all over, magnets and stuff like that. So taking a closer look again, here is the main rotor head. You have seen it in the build, all metal parts. Look really nice and beautiful, and the lime color attracts lime color bees as well. Look at that. There's a bee on number 4 right there, and this bee is also lime color. How cool is that? Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so this side you can see the build, no cables running here, everything is neat and clean. And man, I can tell you, if you build this helicopter right, you are going to have beautiful flights and a very good time, fun-filled flights on this helicopter. And if you can do 3D, you're gonna simply enjoy the performance of this helicopter. I am flying the GooSky RS4, and baby, I'm simply loving it. Have fun, people. Stay tuned for more videos.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right